Hi guys, welcome. This is Crypto Everything and welcome to another new video. Today we are going to be doing the Optimism quest. Okay, if you're new to my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe so that you stay updated on future uploads right here on my channel. Okay, so most of you think that the Optimism airdrop is over. I know they did a very massive airdrop right back then, but there's going to be an airdrop too. Okay, so out of the 19% allocated for airdrops, we have been able to use just 5%. Okay, they've allocated just 5% for airdrops yet, and now there's remaining 14%. So the remaining 14% is still a very huge chunk right now, and we can be eligible for it. One way, I'm not sure, but there's a quest right here on the Optimism that might guarantee us for the next airdrop. Okay, so if you go down to the Optimism website, okay, if you go down to quest, click on quest, it's going to bring you over here. This is the quest section. As you can see, I've done 3 out of 18 NFTs. Okay, so these are the quests we are going to be doing to get these NFTs. This might be a criteria to get the next airdrop. Nobody knows. Okay, so this is the Optimism, and then you can still find this same thing right here on Galaxy. Okay, if you go to Galaxy, then go to Optimism and go to their campaigns, go to campaigns and look for Optimism. It's going to bring you here. This is exactly the same thing that is on the Optimism website. As you can see, I have claimed 3 out of all of this. Okay, so all you have to do is open up the quest, click it and open it up, and then it's going to tell you what you need to do to be eligible for this. As you can see, there's a claiming period which says from September. If you do this between September and January 17, 2023, you are going to be eligible for this. Okay, so right here, if you click on this drop down menu, it's going to tell you what you need to do, and make sure you look closely. See, fulfill any of the credentials. Some may have like 4 or 5 things to do under the quest, and it could be do any, some maybe do all. So if you do all, then you'll be able to do it. If you do one of any of them, it's going to work out. But since this is just one, this is what we are going to do. What it says right here, it says swap $20 worth of coins on Uniswap between at least 2 swaps. Okay, so you have to go to Uniswap and make 2 swaps. So this total sum of the swaps maybe $20 or above. So what you have to do is go to your Uniswap. Okay, so if you go to Uniswap, you connect your wallet. Okay, so most likely I would like you to be on the Optimism chain. So if you have any coins, maybe move it to from Arbitrum or from F down to Optimism to be on the safer side, and then swap some whatever tokens you have for another. So I have Ethereum, I can swap it for USDT. I can swap like $20 and then $20 back, or I can swap $15 and $15 back, and so as long as it is worth more than $20. So once you have done that, then you can go straight back to the platform, and then just click on, there will be a verify button here. Just click on verify. If it's verified, it's going to tell you this claim is going to be blue, because normally if you're not eligible, it's going to tell you you're not eligible. Once you're eligible, it's going to show you claim. Okay, then you can claim it. As you can see, it's already saying 1 claimed, 0 available. But if you hadn't claimed it, it would have told you 1 available, 0 claimed. So then you would have been able to claim it. So but make sure you do it. Sometimes when you click on verify, immediately verifies it, but sometimes it requires a manual verification. So the curator is going to automatically or manually update the list, and then you can now swap it for you can now verify yourself and then claim this NFT. Then you can move on to the next NFT. This time let's try to use the Optimism website. Okay, so let's say we want to do the next one, because I have actually gotten 2. Okay, let's say we want to do let's say Velodrome. Okay, you can go onto Velodrome website. Okay, so if you want to know where Velodrome is, you can go to all you have to do is come down here where it says ecosystem. Just click on all apps. It's going to bring you over to this place, and then you can find all apps connected on or that are on the Optimism network or the Optimism. Then you can see Velodrome right here. As you can see, live incentives. Okay, so meaning that is giving out live incentives. If you click on it, it's going to bring you over to the website. What it says you should do is very easy. It's very crucial. So you have to listen to what, or read what it says you to do to be able to qualify for the Velodrome. So all we have to do is let's open it up in a different page. So right here, as you can see, I've already completed it. Okay, now the difference between Optimism, why doing the quest on Optimism and doing it here on Galaxy is this. On Optimism, is going to tell you to answer a bunch of questions and test your knowledge and all of that stuff. Maybe you do not know the answers to it, you can leave that part, and then you can use this place instead, and then just let's try to look for Velodrome. Okay, so if you open it up, as you can see, there will be no quest for you to answer, no quest. All you just have to do, no questions for you to answer. All you have to do is move straight to the quest and do it. As you can see right here, it says follow them on Twitter, and then what it says you should do here is users who added $20 as liquidity to a stable pool, e.g. USDC, DAI, and stake it between this time to this time. So between September this year to next year January, then you are going to be eligible for it. So what this means is just go to the Velodrome, stake a pool worth at least 20 USD, and then on the stable pool, and then come back here, claim your NFT. So all you have to do is go over to the Velodrome. They say we should look for a pool with a stable coin, with a stable pool with stable coins. Okay, so if you look down here, you can see there is something that says stable pool. This goes to show that these are stable pools. Okay, there are some pools that are volatile. It's going to show you there, and if you stake on that, it's not going to reflect for you. So make sure you read whatever they tell you carefully, so that you don't end up wasting gas fees for nothing. Okay, so let's just use USDC and DAI. So if you want to click on USDC and DAI, meaning you need to have USDC and DAI to be able to stake all worth 20 USD or above. So the first thing you want to do is go to swap and make sure we have some USDC. So if you have Ethereum, you can swap some Ethereum for some USDC, and then swap some Ethereum for some DAI again. Then you now have DAI and USDC. Then the next thing you want to do is go to pools, the pool section. Then the exact pool you want to go to is USDC and DAI. Just click on manage. If you click on manage, then you can stake. You put in the total amount of USDC you have, total amount of DAI you have, all worth $20 or above. And then you can come scroll down here, click on deposit and stake, and then you can stake this. It's going to open up and tell you to stake your liquidity. So once you have staked your liquidity, then you can now go back to this place right here and click on verify. There will be a verify button here, and then click on verify. If you have done the task properly, it's going to show up to stay your claim. Sometimes it takes takes a day, sometimes it's very fast, just immediately. Sometimes it takes 24 hours for them to update the server, and then once you have done that, then you claim your NFT. Still gonna be the same. And then here, right here on Optimism, you won't have to come back here to do it. Once you have claimed it on Galaxy, it's gonna show here as claimed. Okay, so you can see it's still the same thing. Deposit more than 20 USDC, and then follow them on Twitter. These are the criteria that you need to do, and then after that you claim your NFT. Pretty simple. That is what you're going to be doing for all of them. So what I actually advise you to do is if you want to do the make sure you try to do the Stargate. Okay, so I tried to do the Stargate NFT the quest. Okay, the requirement was make sure you do at least 100 USDC to breach 100 USDC worth of tokens using the Stargate bridge. Okay, so I tried to use the Stargate bridge, minimum of 100 USDC. So I did 60 and 60. I thought, okay, it's going to amount to 120, but it turns out you have to do 100 straight, because I did yesterday supposed to have reflected here that I actually did it, but I'm going to do it again now with $100 at least. Okay, so it doesn't count when you do $50. It has to be $100. Okay, so this is Stargate. Okay, so once you come to Stargate, what you have to do is, on whatever network you are, make sure you are bridging from Optimism, from a network to Optimism, or from Optimism to a different network. So right now, this is Arbitrum. If I have USDC, and this is Optimism, so I have to move my coins to USDC and then bridge whatever amount I'm bridging. It has to be 100 USDC. Okay, 100 USDC. Make sure your token is 100 USDC, not $100 worth, 100 USDC. And then you just click on confirm and everything. Once you have done that, you will not have to wait for at least 24 hours. I think that is what it takes for the curator to actually as you can see, it's manually updated by the curator. So it takes them, I think it takes them 24 hours to actually manually update the from on the recent updates and everything. Okay, so that is how it is. Make sure you try to do all of these quests. This could be a criteria for us to get the next airdrop. I do not know this for sure, but I'm sure it sure helps. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to be a multi-signer on Optimism and Arbitrum and all of that stuff. Okay, so because on the previous airdrop on Optimism, those that did the multi-signing had the most airdrop. Okay, so they had more airdrops than those that just used the bridge. So if you're a bridge user, or try to be a multi-signer, multi-signing doesn't actually require you to spend much money. Okay, so just be a multi-signer to send some money from your wallet to a different wallet. I'm going to put it on in a different video. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and this is all I have for you today. If you want to check out all the airdrops or all the quests that you have, all the NFTs that you have, you can just click on this right here, click on view my NFTs. Then it's gonna bring you over here. Right here, as you can see, I have just three NFTs out of that. So this is it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time, guys. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Bye for now, guys.